Hey guys, Praveen here, and today's UI design tip is to replace your UI. So what I'm talking about is I see developers mostly. So imagine if there's a code like this, and you can type something or upload an image or record a audio or something and save it. So I see a lot of developers, once they click on uploading an image, it will open up a file picker and it will upload it in a separate place, like in a toast message or alert, something alert like a below, or when it's recording it will open up a separate model or separate something. But you can just replace your UI when it's doing the thing. So when you click on recording, it will open up, it will just replace everything and it will open up something like this, and you can just click on the center button to stop it. Once you clicked on upload, it'll just change the whole box to something like this, and you can cancel or see the existing uploads. So just replace the UI rather than going to somewhere else, because once you show a toast message or alert or something like that, it will just make your users see somewhere else, or they might miss it or something. But you can just replace the UI and it will feel better. The users eyes will be in the same code itself. It's just replacing to recording or replacing to uploading and coming back to the original thing. So yeah, try it out. So whenever you need a toast for something, try this out. Whenever you need dialog box for uploading something, try this out. Just use the same UI that you already have. So yeah, that's it for this video. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.